Hello. Alright. Cool. Stream is blank on YouTube. Okay, never mind. It's good. Alright. So plan. We got, so here, let's just run it. So here, we select a sentence, section of the sentence. So we only get the annotation for this exact section that we've selected, which is a problem because we got things under this. Like say, even if you want to select something small, it's still a problem because we got you, and we don't really know, we still don't know how it's pronounced because we don't have this here. Or we select Mo, but in this case it means also. This is an even better example because just because it has words, or it has another meaning, so you can't see its pronunciation even though it has a pronunciation listed. And I still don't know why this is cut off. Probably a bug with the font, or just how I'm calculating the extents, but it seems to work for everything else. Maybe it's specifically when there's only one character. I have no idea. I haven't written an ah or something. You can see this in full detail. Like, I have written this whole sentence out, but like you select this and you get the entire sentence. You don't really, it doesn't help you because you don't get to see anything under it. So let's do that. So to do that, we gotta go. Let's go document view. You can see our properties. We got the annotation. So instead of annotation, we should have annotations. Okay. And this can just be a vector of text. And this will get progressively more advanced. We'll keep putting things in here. For now, it's just this. And I kind of want to make... Okay. For now, we're just going to have it so that it shows up the annotation text. I have more information inside of the annotations, like here. If you go, this is like the data. So if you were to go, this has most of the complicated stuff. So my, yeah, for like grammar explanations. So we have zero copula. So if it's, so it has this short explanation, which is what will show up when we're done today. There's also this, where it has like extra explanation links, and then definitions also have like part of speech attached. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. And now listen, all this code is going to be freaking out. So it's okay. It can freak out all at once. This should be a vector. Oh, why did I do that? This is still stupid. There we go. That's not stupid. Sorry. I got you guys listening to lo-fi again. But I'm listening to Oyasumi. This song is so good. So it's kind of like, it doesn't have that many views. Oh, it has 30,000. That's a decent amount of views. Okay. Yeah, I can't really say it. So this is kind of weird because now we don't really know the layout for the annotations. Theoretically, like, what I'm imagining right now is that you have like a table style, where you have like vectors of vectors. But for like the init function, you don't know that you don't want to put them in actual separate vectors, because after the initialization you don't really need it. Though when it's resized, no, even when it's resized you don't even need it. And basically these are all going to be reconstructed like every time. So maybe we should initialize with like an empty vector instead of like the dot 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 stuff. Maybe if there's the dot 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 stuff instead of instead of doing like the dot dot dot, if there's nothing there, or as like an annotation, do the dot 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 if there's nothing there. Yeah, that made sense. But for now, I guess we can kind of skip that. So we're not going to fill the annotations on initiation then. And this is going to just be a vector, and then we're going to probably recreate the vector every time. Though, I mean, I guess it is not really efficient. Maybe we should just empty the vector and refill it. Yeah, so here, we'll just do the standard vec new, and then it'll decide whatever capacity it wants to give it. I'm not going to be too picky about that right now. It would be nice. Maybe we should make a container where it's just like a free container. It's kind of whatever. We'll just iterate over them. I thought that was complaining for a second. Alright. It would be nice. Alright, this should be MB8. Click signal. Yep. We don't need this. Success. And then I guess the same thing. I cannot like type annotation. Kind of weird. Signal and then 0. Alright, and get rid of you. This is the same. And then oh wait, is it? Oh yeah, it is the same. And then this is the same, except it doesn't do any reconstruct callback stuff. Probably because it doesn't do a reconstruct callback. Though I thought it did. That's not gonna help. What? Yeah, that type is gonna have to change. Oh, but I'm kind of hitting. Different meaning coming back. Yeah. So this should change. This because we renamed meaning to annotations. Because yeah. So hopefully this should work. Okay, yeah, didn't create any more errors. Yeah, that is annoying. Okay. So annotation data, vec reference, yeah, short text. Yeah, so this is gonna be maybe it should be annotations. Yeah, annotations callback. And then this can just be an empty vector. But let me make sure. Oh yeah, because we already have the updated callback. Yeah. So this is just a vector of annotation data instead of an option. Though, wait, we have to make this like a table. So we're gonna have another property. Okay. Oops. And now everything's kind of breaking. Oh, what? Okay, I guess it doesn't update the name here. Oh wait, I'm kind of stupid. Yeah, let's put into something else. Okay. So there are some, I mean, they're not really empty, it's just, huh. Yeah, because this is making it so that it's hierarchy only, though, it is hierarchy only. Not really. Because you can have multiple annotations for like the same object, I think. Like, in here. Like, yeah, for also, it not only has the meaning here, but it also has like the grammar term. Which I would like to show. I don't know if we're gonna have grammar terms showing up right now. Oh gosh. In this case, it would be best to have like also, and then the grammar term, and then as a child of both of those, we have the writing. But I'm not really sure. this structure doesn't allow that. Would we make like an annotation table struct or something? Have. I think that makes sense. I'm gonna make it, and then I'll see if it makes sense. So you have a top, just annotation data, and then bottom would be another annotation table. Though yeah, that's gonna be like that. But if you make it like a vec of annotation table or something, and that might kind of be what we want. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So then this is now just going to be an annotation table. Okay. Annotation. Sentence view component. Oh. Oh, that's just generating it. So it's option annotation data. Oh crap. So here because we have the children and the annotation, which we don't really need. Because it's going to have children for the annotation data, and it's also going to have children for the view components. So maybe we can make this a different struct. It's kind of... I'm messing with the mic wire. I don't know if that's making any noise. It's an annoying problem. I think of another problem right now. Okay, here's a different problem. Here's the annotations callback. Self selected meaning. What? Oh, here it's calculating it. Okay. So, okay, we'll change the return type, I guess. So convert markup first. Instead of that, it could be annotation table. Woohoo. So I think we never really used the children property on the sentence view component anyway. Didn't use it at all. Wait, no, I'm lying. We used it because it has the start and end points on it. The annotations don't have the start and end points on it. But we don't need... We're duplicating information is the issue. So should the annotation data shouldn't have children. Oh yeah, we replaced it with the annotation table anyway. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Problem solved. So, okay. An issue here is that are we really returning we are returning an annotation table? That was the idea. Oh crap, that was a bad idea. Why? We've replaced the annotation table because we need the sentence view components for their start and end points. So we don't return an annotation table for the convert markup. We return in our annotation table for like when it does the range to meaning. Yeah. Okay, so none of this really has to change. Cool. And then this is going to be option annotation table instead. Though, okay, yeah, you started that. It's not, this structure doesn't let us group them. I don't think. So you have a container, or if you have a writing, we only return one sentence view component. So maybe the sentence view component should change to annotations. Yes. Sentence view component should change to annotations for each like parent group of annotations. Yeah. Okay. This should just really change to a vec. Every component should have one annotation minimum, and that's not guaranteed. I got runtime or anything, I don't think, but that's the idea. Okay. Well, I've actually already changed it. So yeah, this can just be like a vec of 1. I didn't have it separated out before, but now I kind of feel like it should be okay. And then this is vec with capacity 0. Logographs, I don't have anything for them right now. I want to have something like maybe like kind of like a fuzzy meaning on them, but logographs, they have a fuzzy meaning, but I don't like I think it's dumb a little. Like, I feel like memorizing what the logographs mean is pointless. I mean, it's helpful if you do it, but there are way better uses for your time. So for now, that is like not a priority. So here, we just got the syllabic character. I don't really know how you pronounce it. Is it syllabic or syllabic, or it doesn't matter. Okay. So we fixed those-ish. Yeah, so for now, all of these are really gonna only have one annotation, but it's kind of just so that I think I'm gonna do the grammar today. I think that'll be a good thing to try. Because some of the containers that I have right now don't have any meanings. Or don't have a meaning, like, thought so. I don't know, they all have meanings right now. But yeah, you could not have a meaning on a container and have it just be grammar. Well, honestly, I don't know why you'd do that. I mean, you could have it like for this, I might be able to, once I implement showing this, having this here is kind of redundant, and same for this, because once it pulls up the definition from the writing term, then you don't need it anymore. This place. Okay. So what type is this actually? Yeah, this is vector annotation data. Oh, that's odd. Okay. All right. So this is what the top is going to equal. And then bottom equal. This can be with capacity. Minute. We got children. Then 4 child in minute 3 got children. It's just gonna clone them, right? What type is the bottom? Vector of annotation tables. Okay. Yeah, I think this will be a better way to do it. So that way we can just do some. So I kind of want to copy what I got so far. Some. Wait, here we go. Alright. Took me a little while. Oh. We want to return that. Okay. The bottom dot push. Then I'm gonna just return an annotation table. I hate that it makes. I don't want. Okay. Okay, that works. Yeah, that's gone. What? That's so confusing. What is this? Oh. I got it. Oh, good. Shouldn't that be... Here we go. So, new meaning. Alright. So, selected meaning should change to annotation table. And yeah, we're gonna throw our partially Q. I should really go through all the structs at some point and add all the ones that are standard. Though I guess most of these are private structs, so they don't really matter. Why are you expecting just an annotation table? Annotation table can be blank, I guess, but sure, whatever. No, that's dumb. Is it? It feels stupid that you would do it that way, but it's kind of. If you just have vectors with 0 capacity on it, then they don't even allocate, and then your code doesn't have to change. Or like you don't have to match for the option. So selected meaning should not be an option. Though if there's no selected meaning or selected, let's read it. Selected annotation. So that, okay, now that makes sense. It says if you have no selected annotations, there you go. So doing like this, we have top is vec, capacity 0. Then bottom is vec with capacity 0. And then yeah, that's weird. Yeah, that's annoying. Shit. Maybe just... Yeah. Just leave it as an option for now. Okay. It's just confusing, because this is some... Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, got it. That's so annoying. I guess. So, yeah, okay. So the callback will be an option too then. Alright. Now, this almost last step. Oh, crap. I don't know how deep the table goes when... Though, I guess you could keep having it. That works. I guess you could have a function that crawls through it that checks its height and splits it evenly. But I feel like it's kind of slow. Alright, anyway. I think I got this. So if it's then... Let's get that to 0. Alright, we wanted to make this so it kind of just, it would empty. There's got to be like a... I just want to move all elements back. Retain? Retains only the elements specified by the predicate. Okay. Sure. That's a ugly solution, I think. Okay. So first you gotta if okay. Not on the len greater than 0. So then that's just so that you don't like shrink it when you don't shrink the top row when you don't need to. Yeah. though it's possible. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Okay. I just want to assign this to a variable so it's easier to access. Oh, annotation. And annotation data just has the text and the references. Okay. Oh, where was I? Awesome. Oh wait, I don't need that. Okay. Oh, here I am. We're going to create new text. It's usual. Oh, we're going to need the face in here. I'm going to have to make the face a property then. Okay, that's fine. Gonna be all this ugly stuff. Oh, why did I do that there? What? Oh, crap. Just past the face. No, it should be and self. I'll have to change the references to it a bit. Okay. Oh, no, it's complaining. Why? Oh, because I don't have enough. What? Camera is mutable is also borrowed as mutable. As immutable. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I wasn't in self. Okay. That's not complaining. Okay. Oh, no, it is. Why? Oh. Ah. Thought it was clone, but give me hope that it wasn't. Actually, wait. It shouldn't need to be. Oh, never mind, never mind. It doesn't. I was thinking it was taking it as a parameter. It's not. And it's gonna be clone, and then I thought this was gonna have to be clone, but then it's gonna give me an error. But yes, it's gonna have to be clone. And now text.fill. And we're gonna have to create another. Okay, that's fine. Never mind. Oh, crap. Okay, we're gonna have to split this into multiple functions soon. Okay, so the size width is just going to be fill area up. I'm gonna have to. It's gotta be like that. Yeah, that's good. And then the center X, it's kind of annoying. So let me just think about it. So for the leftmost, you're gonna move this much. Right. Or it's gonna be like that's how much we move, because you lose this much on either side. So to reach the wall, you have to move that much. Yeah. And then you're gonna have to add I times this much. I have to think about that. Because so initially it's going to be 0. Okay, so imagine 2. So SX is half of the normal. You move to the side, 0. It's gonna sit 2 times I instead of 32. Because you have to move back to the center and then over again. Yes. Because the width of 1 is 1 of the SX, but you have to make it so that the center. Yeah. Alright. That's kind of messy, but for now that works out. Okay, and then see why. And then higher is plus, I think, in this coordinate system. I always forget. Okay. And I could I try this right now? No. I didn't. So I have to create a vector with all the. Oh wait, I already have a vector. Oh wait. We're gonna have to do this anyway. So that always happens. Push text. Okay. And then I think we can try that. There's a problem. Face.clone. Face moved. It did. Okay, so right now we see nothing. That's not super surprising. But okay. I just gotta see. Why? Updated. Be nice if that was pretty printed. Hold on. I'm just gonna make it pretty print. Oh gosh. Okay. So we get some top and bottom have stuff. So it should have printed it. Or we should see text up here, but we don't. Why? And actually, the way I have it set up, we should see text all over the screen. So. could be a problem with the construct. It looks like a problem with the construct. Okay, what does the construct look like? Goes through each of them? Oh. Yeah, that's important. Alright, so that's good. We probably don't need these anymore. Alright, so we only get... Oh well, that is what we... because we're not printing the bottom yet. And then also shows up full. Why is it top? Oh, wait, no. Still doesn't make sense. Oh wait, never mind, it does. Is that... yeah. See, things without a bottom aren't printing, which is what we expect. Cool. Okay. Annotation table. Okay. What? Yeah, we don't have to return anything on this. Okay. Okay. Alright. This should just work. Here, I'm just going to break these out into multiple lines. Because this is actually this. Except with that. And face, I guess, to clone. An annotation table. It's not that. This should give us owned ones, right? into iterator. Okay, there we go. I haven't done that in a while. Alright, and now this is simple, we'll just copy that. Except without this. Alright. Okay. Why is that not my okay. Oh crap. I'm not completely sure why this is happening. It's either the container. Oh shit. Okay. So what it seems is that all the bottom ones have only single length, which is not correct, hopefully. Oh, never mind. It's because of all my copying and pasting. This should make it so that I'm hoping that that was the problem. You also yeah, it's definitely messy. Yeah, definitely messy. But here I'm gonna get a little less messy. I wish it can't be known at compile time, I guess. Calculate annotation. Yeah. All right. Oh, come on. What was it before? This? No. What am I talking about? I'm pretty sure I lost. Yeah, I lost that. Crap. So I'm gonna have to rewrite that. Luckily. Okay. So the idea, this 70%, and then it's what? So it pulls 3 away and then pulls, so it's 0.4. And cx. Zero 0.6? Is that really? Oh, whoops. I don't need this. Go away. That's definitely not it. Something's definitely wrong. Oh. It looks. Oh, I'm so stupid. We don't need to calculate it every time. But do we really make it a property? Like, that just feels ridiculous. Sure. Equation fill area. And we don't really need this function then, I guess, because we're just gonna store it. I feel like it's gotta be a better way. Yeah. Okay. That is almost correct. I think that's too tall though. Maybe it is 0.02. Oh yeah. Yeah. Maybe 0.8. Not O2. 20%. Yeah, something's wrong with how the eye is shaped. I don't know what that's about. Gosh. Yeah. It's not the cleanest. It's so weird. The text sizing works like so spotty. Is it not centered? No, it is centered. It's just how it's, yeah. You can see this. I guess that's a success. It's kind of scuffed, not gonna lie. Oh, I didn't really think about that. Because this pronunciation, like the written pronunciation for this changes. Like it's not yoka. I mean, this is functional, I guess. It's explaining what happens. So you should be able to piece together that it's yokata, not yoka. Small two ta. And then for this, I'm gonna have to have like a type annotation or something, where this is like it says like that's the pronunciation instead of it just being I, an evil person, evil I person, because that doesn't make any sense. Yeah, it's really squished. It should definitely get a bigger area. Just thinking about redoing the layout a bit. I can do that quick. Alright, so annotation fill area. I'm thinking with the annotations below. So the sentences, I think, should take up 50% of the screen, exactly. And then be up, just the upper half. Which would just be 0.5, I think. Yeah. And then the annotation fill area, it should leave a point. Oh, I think I can make that even smaller. So 4.5. And this is going to be 0.5. These are both going to be 0.5. I'm going to change this one first. Yes. And copy and paste it. And then this is going to be at the bottom, leaving space. So it's kind of a weird calculation, actually. The center is going to be between 0.1 or yeah, negative 0.1 and negative 0.9. Is that just 0.5? I want to say it is, but I feel that's wrong. Wait, no. Yeah, of course it's wrong. Is it 0.4? No, it's 0.55. Because 1 minus 0.1 divided by 2 plus 0.1 is 0.55. I think. Oops. Oh yeah. Okay, that should change all the layout. I'm gonna make it so that you can have like a interactive. Oh shit. How did the sentences end up on the bottom? Oh, okay. Oh. Wait, this is minus, and then this is plus. Okay. Okay, so that gives it a little more space. I think we could actually give it even more space. I don't know. I think it's good. I'm at the goal for the day. Alright, let's see it.